All right, guys, new gear alert. I want to take you on a tour of my new Oberwerth Medium SL bag in Reporter. And this bag really is designed absolutely beautifully. It's incredibly functional. And let me take you through all of the different functionality that this bag has. First of all, pull those tabs open. You open up the bag to reveal a gorgeous red interior. Now again, you can only imagine that the color scheme on this is meant to emulate the Leica family, which I think that they are hoping that if you are a Leica person, that this is a bag for you. But let's just say this. This is a camera agnostic bag. This does not care. The bag doesn't care what you put in it. So if you're a Nikon, Canon, Sony shooter, it doesn't matter. Hasselblad, put it in here. This is a fantastic bag, okay? I think that they call it the Medium SL bag because if you have an SL system and a couple lenses, this bag will fit it beautifully, and it definitely pays homage to the Leica Reporter and Leica colors. So let's go into this bag for a minute. As we can see, we've got two dividers. These are Velcro, they can be put anywhere, and they got the little flippy flappies here so that when you put the camera in there, it kind of holds the camera on either side, keeps the camera from moving around. Really, really nice. On either side, you've also got space for another couple full frame, full size lenses. And if you guys know, I mean the Leica SL Summilux, which I have on my SL3, that goes right here, boom, right in the center. Over here, 2490 SL lens, boom, that's huge. Over here, I could also put another Leica lens, but I actually like to put my Q2 or my M10R with a lens on it. I mean, that's how much room is in this bag, and it's deep. So not only can I stuff all that in here, but there's still a little bit of room to spare on top. So that if I was traveling and I wanted to put a little bit of stuff on top, I could actually layer a few things on the top of this, like maybe some cables or other accessories, whatever, if I wanted to do that. Inside the bag, there's some nice components. Right here, you can see that this is a reinforced pouch, okay? It's nylon on one side and actually nylon on both sides. It's got this little kind of nice reinforced piping on the top here. I would imagine this is where you might put an iPad. It probably would fit really, really nicely in there. I don't know if like a little MacBook Air would, maybe like a tiny one, but definitely an iPad would fit beautifully in there. You've got another pouch over here. This one has like more of that soft felt lining. Hope you guys can see that. You could definitely put a whole bunch of stuff down in there. And then it's got these other little pouch as well. It's got a pouch over here. And then it's got these little tiny little pouches over here that I would imagine that these were maybe for SD cards or CF cards. I don't know. I don't think I would use them because it seems like that would be too easy for things to kind of slide out. Who knows? Maybe put some quarters for the vending machine. But you could easily throw a bunch of batteries and stuff in here. Speaking of accessories and batteries, you see that it's got these two pouches in the front that are very deep and they expand a little bit. So you could put a lot, I mean, I'm putting my whole hand in here, my fist. So you could easily, in these two pouches, let me just move that back here, batteries, cables, extra memory cards, all kinds of stuff could fit in there, snack bars, whatever. There's also some pockets on the sides. There's one over here, put a bunch of stuff, same kind of stuff in there. And there's a pocket on this side as well. You can see that as well. There you go. These pockets don't have any kind of give, so I don't think you could, well, I guess you could maybe fit a water bottle in there. Let me see what that looks like. See if that's even an option. I guess with the strap and all of it, yeah, I think it would be a little bit of a struggle to get it in there. But anyway, you guys get the idea. Now, this camera bag has an attached shoulder strap that's fully adjustable and has this beautiful leather and kind of suede shoulder pad that has the logo on it, which is nice. You got the logo embossed over there. But otherwise, it's like incredibly minimal branding on this, which I love. I love how simple it is, how elegant it is. Even the hardware on this bag is like really, really nice, very, very clean. This bag also features a grab handle. I absolutely love this. I find that when you have a bag like this loaded up with gear, that it's like really heavy to move around, and sometimes you just want to kind of carry the bag around, and it's got this grab handle which is perfectly centered with the center of gravity, so everything kind of stays upright where you want it. And this also is removable. It's got these nice little hardware bits and little clasps that you can take on and off. Let's go to the back of the bag. Back of the bag, we've got a zippered pouch. I'll show you that. And you can see there, you've got a zippered pouch, and I would imagine you would put stuff in here that you wanted to be able to access, but maybe stuff that you wouldn't want like to lose track of. This is the side of the bag that'll be against your body, so maybe if you had something like valuable or a passport or whatever, might go in there. And then it's also got this amazing little Velcro strap that just has an opening wide enough to go onto the handle of a piece of luggage. So if you've got a roller bag or a roller piece of luggage and you want to put this bag on top of it, that will make it so easy, and it will also keep it secure. As you can see, the bag is like very, very lightweight. It's very comfortable. The stitching is incredibly nice. It's incredibly like robust. I mean, everything on this bag is built so beautifully. You can tell that this camera bag was built to last. And I think that that's what they're trying to say, you know, keeping the homage to Leica with it, is that this is a bag to last. Again, this bag is camera agnostic, so it doesn't care what camera gear you put into it. So at least you know that at the very minimum, you can easily fit a full frame DSLR with an attached lens and a couple other lenses and a whole bunch of accessories, and you are good to go with this bag. And this is a bag that you will have for years and years to come. Who knows, you might even pass it down to somebody else when you're done with it. But it's a bag that will last you a very, very long time. If you guys want to save 10% on Oberwerth stuff, use the code ADAM10 at checkout, and you'll save 10% on anything on Oberwerth. And Oberwerth makes bags, they make straps, they make backpacks, they make luggage, they make all kinds of really beautiful stuff. And I would highly recommend going over there, browsing their site, and if you buy anything, use the code ADAM10 at checkout, and you'll save 10%. So there you go, guys. Oberwerth medium SL bag in Reporter. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to use it more and share more content with this bag with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll see you soon.